Hey guys, Count and Cook back again with yet another interesting Udupi or Mangalorean recipe. Today's recipe is nothing but a simple bottle gourd upkari which is very popular in Udupi or more so in most of South India. Before I get started, let me run through the ingredients. Take one medium-sized bottle gourd and cut them into bite-sized pieces. About quarter to half coconut, either grated or shredded. For tempering, a teaspoon of curry leaves. About 6 to 8 green chilies finely chopped. A teaspoon of mustard seeds. A teaspoon of urad dal for tempering. Salt as per taste. About 20 ml of coconut oil. In the first step, heat up a pan and in goes some coconut oil into it. Now when the oil heats up, in goes some mustard seeds. When mustard seeds splutter, in goes some urad dal. Now when urad dal turns brown, in goes some curry leaves and finely chopped green chilies. In goes chopped bottle gourd. In goes some salt now. Now by sprinkling some grated coconut on the top, cover the pot with the lid and cook for another 15 minutes. After cooking covered for about 15 minutes, take out the lid, mix well and cook uncovered until the bottle gourd is completely done. Hey, bottle gourd upkari, also called tureta upkari in Tulo, is ready. Serve it with white rice and sambar and sendige and you're gonna have an excellent meal. For more such interesting recipes, subscribe to the channel Count and Cook. While subscribing, do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you guys get notified whenever we upload something new.